Today on Grassroots Maker, we're going to make a Grassroots Maker sign.
About 16 years ago, I came across a program called Rasterbator. It was a small Windows application that created amazing enlargements out of images using a bubbly style to create wall-sized art out of a standard A4 printer. When I looked recently, I noticed that it's now a fully online application, and I realised what a great maker tool this could be. It allows you to upload any image and choose how large or small you want to make it, in multiples of A4 widths or heights. It even gives you a handy visualization of how big it is versus a human silhouette. It then lets you choose from a number of filters which can stylize the image. Then you can play with the colours, or even select from a number of presets. Some are definitely better than others. Once you've finished setting it all up, all you have to do is hit the create button and it outputs as a large PDF that can then be printed, cut out and stuck together. One area I could definitely see myself using it is in blueprints for cosplay props, like this Reaper shotgun. Once printed, it could then be transferred onto foam, wood, or any other material for building into the final prop. However, as I needed something interesting for the background of my videos and my kids had been dying to upcycle the stack of cardboard we have amassed during this current lockdown, I decided to print out a modest poster of the Grassroots Maker sign as a template for some housebound crafts.
We spent time making this and Daddy helped a bit too.
I think it turned out really well. It's a great addition to the shop, and I'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.